So what is antimatter? Antimatter is a kind of evil twin brother to matter. It's a sort of opposite, and our understanding of it traces right back to the Big Bang when the universe was very small and very hot. That early universe exploded, releasing all the matter that everything today is made of. But there's a big mystery here, because the explosion should have created 50% matter and 50% antimatter. Yet you and I and the rest of the universe, we're all just plain ordinary matter. So the antimatter part, that whole half of the universe, has gone missing. Now, in Geneva, at a place called CERN, we have a kind of mini Big Bang machine. Just like the Big Bang, this machine can transform energy into matter. Except that here, for every piece of antimatter that comes out, we also get a piece of matter. My experiment uses the machine as an antimatter factory. We reach into the factory with our left hand and we take as many antiprotons as we can. With our right hand, we'll take as many anti-electrons as possible, and then we'll round together. And sometimes one of the anti-electrons will get stuck onto and start to orbit one of the antiprotons. We call this antihydrogen. And at this point, we get to ask, what is that? What is antihydrogen? It's this crazy new substance that was lost at the Big Bang, but we don't know that much more about it. So we have all these interesting measurements we'd love to do to learn more, but the problem is, even starting with millions of anti-electrons and millions of antiprotons, we often only end up with one anti-atom at a time. And sometimes we don't even get any. So that's where my thesis steps in. I'm trying to make more antimatter. I'm trying to do this by cooling it down. If I can make it colder, it will move slower. If it's colder, moving slower, it gets easier to hold on to. So the cooling works a lot like a microwave oven from a typical kitchen, except that I want to run the microwave oven in reverse. I want a microwave refrigerator. So this is a picture of the bottle that we store our antiatoms in. It's the thing that I'm trying to transform into an antimatter refrigerator. I'm going to suck microwave energy out of this bottle until the antimatter temperature is negative 270 degrees Celsius. Then it should be moving slow enough for us to grab 50 or 100 antiatoms at a time. Could we then run a reverse Big Bang process as a kind of battery, collide our 100 antiatoms with 100 normal atoms and harness the pure energy that would result? Well, that's a long way down the road. For now, we're going to hold on to our antiatoms, study them, use them to try to unlock the mystery of missing antimatter in the universe today.